gonna be drawing it. In this video, we're going to draw an ambulance. Let's get started. First, draw 2 circles for the wheels. Then connect them and draw the lines at the other edges of the wheels. And then let's build the body of the ambulance just like this. To the right, and we close it down. Next, we're gonna split the front part and the back part with a straight line. And then let's draw the window just like this. And then next, draw a horizontal line. We're gonna color it red later on. And don't forget the handle, the light at the front and at the back. Draw a circle to place the cross symbol, and then draw the cross inside the circle. Draw the siren at the top of the ambulance, then small circles inside the wheels, and then straight horizontal lines at the bottom. Now it's done. You're ready to color. Color the siren red and also the circle, but leave the symbol of cross white. The stripe is also red, and also the light at the back. Color the front light yellow, and then the lines at the bottom gray, also inside the wheels, and of course the wheels black. Actually, if you want to color with any other colors, you may do so. Color the window light blue, and with dark blue, make an accent, diagonal line, short, long, and short. And now our ambulance is done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.